Hello friends, I am Prajakta Kale. My today's topic is ICSR and narrative writing. Here ICSR is stands for Individual Case System Report, in which narrative writing is involved, in which ICSR collection of information from different sources are collected, triage book in checking validity and doing duplicate search, data entry into pharmacovigilance databases, quality reviews are in ICSR, medical reviews checking of seriousness and casualty, reportability, submission of the case report to health authority is take place in ICSR. There is a types of cases are take place like valid cases, invalid cases, incomplete cases, in which there is a different type of information is placed, identifiable patient, identifiable report, suspect drug, adverse event. If invalid, in which invalid cases, if out of 4 criteria, if one of the criteria is missing, then it's known as invalid cases. And in which valid cases, the case report with 4 minimum valid criteria, there is a identifiable patient, identifiable report, and suspect drug and adverse event. In which incomplete cases, source document is only having the suspect drug and adverse event, that's it. In which ICSR means individual case safety report, in which responsibility, reports types, call center, triage, data entry, case processing, quality review, medical review, submission and reporting, medwatch, medrawatch, WH, narrative and follow-up and references. These are terms are involved, and with the help of this term we are explain ICSR. And narrative writing is the one of the main part of the ICSR, in which spontaneous reporting system is there. In which spontaneous reporting system, there is a data acquisition, data assessment, data interpretation, and also many other many data is there, and we are used for the narrative writing. Narrative writing is the most important part in ICSR, because there is a different types of data collected by from the narrative or ICSR, and we use the spontaneous reporting system with the help of ICSR or narrative writing. And